There's something you both need to see.
Almost had me that time, Connor. You deserve a reward.
Dinah!
Freeze playback! That never happened!
You need to keep watching. Play. Freeze playback.
Don't you laugh! She and he and Oliver, this is not funny!
No. No, of course not.
Please understand, on Mars, this is a common game. My people all shapeshift, but also read minds. So, no one is ever misled. And I am certain Connor knew he was with Magan from the very first.
We're not on Mars, John.
No, but my niece does not understand things are different on Earth.
Then I'll make her understand.